Hi, I'm Keisha with the Canvas department, and I want to talk to you about creating a portfolio in Canvas. So I'm going to go through some steps to help you get your portfolio set up in Canvas. What's great about a portfolio in Canvas is that you can actually share this with your instructors. You're going to be doing some assignments through your courses, putting a portfolio together. And you'll be able to share this portfolio with people outside of Southwestern to share for future employers or internships that will be coming up. So I just want to show you my portfolio just to get started. When we go into our portfolios in Canvas, it's really awesome because you can add graphics, images that you create, as well as information. It's almost like a digital resume. So let's look at how we're going to be able to set this up. In order to set it up, you're going to go into Canvas and you're going to see this panel on the side. You've got to hit your account and you're going to go to ePortfolio. This is how you're going to create a portfolio. Right here, you're going to see a button that says create a portfolio. That's what we're doing. You're going to create one. You're going to create it with your name, and then you're going to make it public. That way, you can share the link with anybody, and anybody, even not in Southwestern, can look at this. You can put it on a resume or an application in order to get a job. So, when you start here, you can go through the ePortfolio wizard. I'm just going to start making my portfolio, and I'm going to be the person to take you through it. So there's a couple things we want to do. Right here, we can add, edit and manage our pages. So I'm going to click organize and manage pages. And if I want to add a page just for any media that I do or graphics, I can make a page here. And if I want to make a page just for my business papers, I can do that here. So we have a place where you can, add pieces of your resume here. But what I want to do is work on my welcome page. So I'm going to click edit this page, and I want to edit my welcome page. So I'm going to put my name as my welcome page. And it's saying nothing's edited yet. And I just want to kind of show you that this is where you would add content. How do you add content? Well, this is open up automatically when you edit the page. It's called a rich text content editor. This is how you will basically type. So if you want to put your information, anything like that, you would do so here. You can embed content, upload a course submission from a course that you have done. So all of your content that you've uploaded will be listed right here for any assignments you've done. You can also do an image or file upload. Image and file upload is how I was able to create images for my fancy portfolio. So this is our rich content editor. This is how you'll edit things. I happen to have a resume and I want to import some information into my document. So part of my resume, I have some skills. I'm proficient with Microsoft Office, Google Workspace. I want to include some of those skills here. Public speaking, multitasking, organizing, and doing some promotional work. And I'm going to hit save page. I'm just getting started. I've already used the content editor to edit this page. If I want to edit this again, I would edit this. If I want to add more content, I would add it down here. Uh, when I click done editing, this is what my page looks like. So this is where I'm going to stop for now. On the next video, the next part, I'm going to show you how to create a graphic to go into your portfolio.